Yo, what's up guys? If you've ever aped into a meme coin lit and watched everyone print while you held the bag, this one's for you. I found something called Solana wallet tracker, and this is like a leaderboard for meme coin legends. Let's dive in.
You can access the site from your PC browser or download the app from your Play Store or App Store. Solana Wallet Tracker shows you top performing wallet trading Solana meme coin daily basis, weekly or monthly basis. Now for the weekly, here's the top performing trader for this particular week. Now for monthly, here's also the top performing trader for this particular month. If you click on it, you see where they put the copy wallet or start free wallet tracker. So now let's show you how this. So before then, click on these three horizontal lines here for guides. You have your leaderboards, how to track wallets, free wallet tracker, insight, and so on. What we want to do now is learn how to make use of this. So click on how to track wallets, and here you see all the instructions. The first one is copy wallet and start tracking. So once you scroll down, you see other options that you can use as a guide to know how this works. Now you can see the option 2, option 3, option 4, down to the last option, which is the activate alert. Now in order not to make this video too long, let's go straight to the point. I'm going to make it brief so you can come and explore yourself. After clicking on start trading, you'll be asked to sign up. You can sign up using your Google account or connect with your Phantom wallet. Those are the two options available. For flexibility, you can proceed with your Google account and then you'll be given a passphrase to save, because that's actually them giving you a new wallet. Once you are done with this process, you'll be redirected to axiom.trade. Now you see they have discover pulse, trackers, perpetuals, yield, rewards, and so on. So here is where I'm going to show you what's next, how to make use of the wallet tracker. You see it down here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see they also have Twitter tracker, but we're talking about the wallet tracker here. Now this is going to pop up. Now what you need to do is you go back to that page to get the address. Once you've copied the address, you click here to paste. After pasting, you can save it with any name you want. Let's say GOAT, GOAT. Yeah, so let's just save it with GOAT. No, I don't mean this kind of goat, as in the GOAT. You get, yeah, it's not easy to be among the leaderboards, to be the top one there. Okay, here it says, here is our GOAT. It has been added. Click on alerts, put it on, and then click here. Let's scan the address. So you can do this for any address. All you need to do is just get the address, paste, then save it. Wow, we can see total value, the unrealized PNL, and then the current available balance, and all the tokens he has bought and sold. We can actually see everything. We can see the skeleton view. In fact, in order not to make this video too long, you can go and try. You should go and try this out. If you are a newbie, this is the gold for you, and if you are a pro, this is edge, and if you are a meme coin hunter, then this is the alpha before the pump. Now this is amazing. You can actually click on the wallet and see what they just bought, what they are holding, and basically track smart money moves in real time. That reminds me, connecting with Axiom was a smooth integration, no stress. This isn't just a stalker tool, it's a strategy map. You can start spotting real coins early, learning patterns, and even tracking multiple wheels to learn and see if a trend is forming.
I'm KhizXL. I find tools that help us grow together in this space. Stay sharp, don't FOMO blind.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far.